Hi there, my name is Sarah Matchub. I'm a senior travel planner with Middle of the Magic Travel, and I just checked into my newly refurbished room at All Star Music Resort, and I figured I'd give you a little room tour. This is a standard 2-queen room. All Star Music also offers family suites that sleep up to 6, which is fantastic. So you have a couple of choices of rooms here. This is a standard 2-queen. So when you come in, have your coffee maker and your beverage chiller. This room is pretty spacious, and they've done a really nice job with the refurb. Big TV, tons of storage in here. There's your safe for you. Coat hooks to hang everything up. Hello. What's nice about this bathroom is the toilet and shower are partitioned off from the sink, so people can be getting ready at the same time. Nice closet space, cubby up there. Here's your ironing board. Even more space for stuff. Even more space for stuff. Nice big sink, tons of counter space. Makeup mirror. And then here's your peek at your shower here. Has the H2O bath products in here. Nice shower. And then let's take a look at these beds. So one of the features of these standard rooms is you get a Murphy style bed as your second bed. So during the day you can have a table and chairs, plenty of space for everybody. Each side of the bed has a bedside table with a little cubby, chargers, and USB chargers. Okay, table and chairs. And there is a side table over here as well. And I'm going to pull the bed down and show you what it looks like with the bed down. So once you pull this Murphy bed down, you have 2 queen beds, plenty of room for up to 4 adults. You have this super cute mural in here, and it does have its own overbed light as well. So this is the standard room at All Star Music Resort, and if you're interested in booking this or any Disney hotel room, talk to your favorite Middle of the Magic travel planner, and we can help you find the perfect spot to stay for your vacation.